Oh, look at this fucker. 13.76, 37% over. It's a bit fucking worrying, isn't it? Now, these blue ones, these light blue ones are the originals. The two blacks, I think someone had repaired the board at some point. Oh, that's not quite making a pin. Here we go. On a side note, I've recapped nearly all my retro machines, and it's an absolute piece of piss to do. Except if you've got a fucking Vectrex. Go in one of them at your peril. Look at that. 37% over again. What's going on here?